Okay, we are here. We have arrived bright and early for Rally Fest. First port of call is obviously to go and find my teammates, Don and Justin Law. Check out the car, but before we do that, we're going to be taking a walk through the pits, so I might as well tour you around there first, but before we get into our very own rally car. So, without further ado, let's take a look at what awesome Group ABC rally cars are here. Do this. Alright, so the car I'm in today is an X-Works original Lancia Integrale Evo Group A rally car. It's owned by my friends Justin and Don Law from Don Law Racing, and it was originally owned back in the day by the Pirelli tyre family. So yeah, interesting car. Now we've looked around the pits, let's go and track this thing down, jump in. Wait. He's not waving. So, welcome inside the rally car that I'm going to be in today. We're at Rally Fest. We're at the Cholmondeley Castle, and I feel like I'm a goldfish in a goldfish bowl because I've got kids here looking at what I'm doing. I'm sat in this rally car, and there's so many people just taking pictures of it, and I'm here inside talking to myself. But the premise of today is that we're going to take you guys along for an experience in this Lancia Integrale Delta Evo. I mean, I don't know what to say, man. This is another one of those fantastic experiences where words don't come out quite so well. Normally I'm coming to you from tarmac, but today we're going a little bit off-road. It's gonna be a mixture of grass and track. The idea is we're gonna strap you into this seat. We've got GoPros, I think we've got like 7 GoPros happening, and I'm gonna try and capture as many angles as I possibly can from the inside and outside of this car, and as always, immerse you in it. The cars are going up in 30-second intervals, and the rally stage itself is incredibly short. I'm not sure if it's even over 1 mile long. It's tight and twisty. There's going to be plenty of action for handbrake turns, getting crossed up. But yeah, without further ado, let's strap on the Hans device, put on the skid lid, let's do this. playful surface.
Yeah. Yeah, it's just getting my head around the... Yeah. Well, I'm not aggressive enough for that.
Right, let me just come down off that one. I've just had to do a quick driver change, quick outfit change, because Justin has a friend come down who he also wants to take out for a spin. Ugh, but I'm just taking that in. The track was incredibly short, but this is more of a display festival. It's an opportunity at Rally Fest for the organizers to bring down cars like this, which, I mean, this car itself has been parked up for the last 2 years. Some of the Group B stuff here, I mean, it's an amazing event just to come down and see these. So if it happens next year, you've got to come down and check it out. But I'm just coming down off the fact that I got to go in one and we got to use it properly. We were lit up sideways, and Justin was telling me the way you drive this car is totally different than if you're, you know, racing something on track. Because this thing's four-wheel drive, the diffs have to be working all the time. You're either completely on it, or you've got the hydraulic handbrake up, you're left foot braking, you're dumping the clutch. There's never any time when you actually lift off the accelerator in this car, because it just sort of plows straight on. Attack on the senses. It's loud, it's fast, it smells of petrol, and it's everything I hoped this car would be. I've watched rally when I was growing up, and to be in a slice of this, now actually as it happens, this car is as old as me. This is a 86 or 87 car. Story of it was that it was bought by a guy in Bangkok who kept it in his garage for 12 years, untouched. It just had a sheet over it, and it was sent over to Don Laws for them to help the guy who owned it sell it. And when it reached Don, once it was shipped over, these guys fell in love with it so much that they ended up buying this car. So yeah, I'm just in an ultra fortunate position that some guys I know own this car. Justin can pedal like a demon. Look, the young lad is back. Everyone, when you're in this car, it's like a goldfish bowl because everyone just loves it so much. So yeah, I've decided to sit in here and chat. Everyone thinks I'm really strange because it looks like I'm talking to myself. Yeah, but I just wanted to give you guys a recap on what this thing is all about. And yeah, just totally blown my socks off. But it's great to be able to indulge in this car specifically and take you along for a slice of just how awesome it is in this thing going sideways. Anyway, as always guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Ciao.